Hello everyone, got another gift idea on the run up to Christmas for you. Today we've got the gloss white Porsche travel case. It's made by Rimowa, so one of the best brands out there for luggage and travel accessories in the world. So you know it's well made and it's got the Porsche name on it all over actually, so you know it's a quality product. It's got everything you would expect from a travel case. It's got a TSA lock, all the grab handles and trolleys, 4 wheels, so it's easy to push through the airport. But this isn't just any travel case, it's got something extra to it as well. So for the true Porsche fans, I know a lot of you like to detail your cars yourselves, so this one actually comes with the full Porsche cleaning care kit. It's got everything from a convertible top cleaner to leather cleaner and conditioner, insect remover, everything. So this foam insert does come out of the travel case, and you can just use it to take all your stuff on holiday. As you know, there's boot space in the 911s is quite good. You can fit this in the front, or you can fit quite a few of them in the KN there. If you want to know any more details about this or any more products we've got here in the centre, then please just give us a call or pop in.